This is a review of this lumber truck from BRIO. It's 6 pieces. There's the cab section, and then there's the trailer section. The trailer section is actually 2 pieces because the cover comes off, slides on real easy. And I believe there's 6 of these logs. Each one has a magnet so they can be pulled off with a crane. On my other 2 right now, and they all fit on this trailer with the cover on. So once you get them all in there, you can load them up and put the cover back on, load it onto the truck, and pull it along the track. So it's simple to enter. This is plastic, goes into the hole on the truck itself. It's a cool little truck, and it has some interaction with the loading and the unloading of the lumber on the trailer. As far as it looks, it's got some cab lights up on top, wipers are on there, the grill. These lights don't function or anything, it's all painted or stickers on there. It's not sticker, it's painted. It's made of wood. And there is a magnet on the front, so it will function with the rest of the cars on a train set. It can just go right in line with other cars. It's nice quality, a lot of interactive play with it, with a magnet on the back. It's pretty cool.